Hello YouTube friends, Alicia back here with another video. I've been away, or I shouldn't say I've been away, I've been off of YouTube for a while again. I've had this journal done for a while and I don't know, to be honest, haven't felt like doing a video. But anyways, I really need to get it done because it's for That's Just Penny. I will try, I'm not sure how to link her stuff below, I'll try and figure that out. If I can, but yes, it is a design team project and it is an Easter one, and of course, as you guys know, with the coronavirus going on, most of us aren't going to be getting to do Easter celebrations, but this was made before then, and yeah, I would have made it anyways because I like this kit. So it is an envelope journal, and I used a pamphlet stitch and it's single signature. So, and then this is just some vintage fabric that I used as a closure. I sewed on one of her images, added some enamel dots, and a ruffle. And there's ruffling on this side as well. This is beat dyed paper, I believe. And then on the inside I have a little embellishment that somebody made me. This is a tuck spot, and then inside, of course, it opens up. And this is air dry clay. I'd never done air dry clay before, so I tried it and I really like it. I'd like to get some other colors. Another ruffle on the side. The glue came through, but it's okay. I think it's really pretty anyways. A glassine bag that I Mod Podged a napkin onto, and it's on book page. So I left these open. I thought about putting pockets in some of them, and I might. Or I might just add pictures, I don't know. More trim on the side, which is coffee dyed. Stickers that I made and then just die cut them. I will do a video on that. I have a lot of videos I want to do. We'll see how much I get done because right now I don't have Wi-Fi and I do not want to use all my data recording videos. This is from her kit. I had this kit already printed out, and that was another reason I really want to use it. I print so much stuff out and then it just sits, so I need to use it. I love this page. I think it's so pretty. I just added a ephemera piece from the kit there. Another envelope I made. Another fabric ruffle. And yes, I just did those on my machine, a sewing machine. Some of them I ruffled with the ruffler foot, and some of them I just ruffled using a debit card. Not a debit card, but like, yeah, a debit card or credit card that isn't good. And that's how I did that. This is a tag that I've collaged front and back. Oh, and this is another thing I'll do a video on. I did these paper clips, these altered paper clips. Sorry, my words are gone. This is not from her kit, I just added it because it was pretty and it was printed off. Another embellishment. That one wasn't a sticker, that's just, yeah. Here the glue came through a lot more than I would have liked, so I don't know. I don't like it there. I can add a piece of ribbon or, I don't know, just ignore it, doesn't really matter. Scrapbooking paper. I like what I did in the center here. I added pockets, and this is a die cut. This is a tag. Oh well, I cut it into a tag. It's just a page from the kit that I backed. The mason jars are from Tsunami Rose, but once again, I wanted to use it up. An envelope I made. Another one of my altered paper clips and a vintage piece of stationery. Another altered or unaltered envelope. I need to add a paper clip to that yet. a flip up. This is an image from the kit, and I just added some paper, and then I made it so that I can either like do this as a pocket or just have it fold down for more writing space. I've been using up scraps. I glued this piece down like crazy. I've done a lot of cleaning in my big craft room. It's as clean as it's ever been, but it's getting messy again, so yeah, sorry, I'm covering it. That never lasts very long. I've been working on Easter baskets, because whether we have Easter celebrations or not, I do plan to do Easter baskets, and they can always go to the people after Easter. This is a belly band I made out of laces. Just a tag. I just cut into a tag shape. A journaling card, and this another tag that I've made, and this is a pocket. I've made this tag forever ago. It's just kind of Easter themed. So yeah, when you clean your craft room, you come across all kinds of things that just need to be used up, and so that is a good thing. And by the way, this ribbon I dyed. Fabric, sorry. And that is the back. Library card, library pocket, one for images, and more blue ribbon, and then just some ruffled seam binding on the back of it. And I left the back white. Sometimes I do that. It just depends. But with this journal, because it's not a coffee dyed journal, I figured the white was just fine. I like it. I don't like white spaces in my journal, or like just blank white pages, but this white background and stuff I think looks really good. So I left it anyways. Any questions or comments, leave them below. I hope you guys are all well and healthy. I don't know what I think about this virus thing. I know I'm gonna be out of work at the end of the month. I can't really say I'm worried about it too much. It is what it is. But yeah, like I said, I hope you guys are all healthy, safe, happy, prepared, whatever you need to be okay. And I'll talk to you all soon.